Hello everyone, welcome back to Naturalhub. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of resveratrol, a powerful compound that's been making waves in the health and wellness community. Whether you've heard about it through the grapevine or are curious about the science behind red wine's health benefits, this video is for you. So let's get into it. What is resveratrol? Resveratrol is a type of natural phenol and a powerful antioxidant found in the skin of grapes, berries, peanuts, and in red wine. It gained popularity back in the 1990s when scientists began to link it with the French paradox, the observation that French people tend to have heart health benefits despite a diet rich in saturated fats. The story of resveratrol begins long before it was identified in 1939 by Japanese scientist Michio Takaoka. Throughout history, cultures around the world used these plants medicinally. The ancient Egyptians used grape extracts for healing, and in traditional Chinese and Japanese medicine, plants containing resveratrol were used to treat a variety of ailments. Modern research has linked resveratrol to a slew of health benefits. First and foremost, its antioxidant properties mean it can fight oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in the body. This is key in preventing chronic diseases, such as heart disease and cancer. It's also been studied for its potential to improve brain health and protect against cognitive decline. Plus, it may help manage blood pressure and even extend lifespan, thanks to its effects on certain genes involved in the aging process. Several studies have highlighted how resveratrol impacts health. For instance, a study found that it improves blood flow to the brain, suggesting potential benefits for brain health. Another study suggested that it might help reduce the stiffness of blood vessels in older adults, lowering the risk of heart disease. You might be wondering how you can incorporate more resveratrol into your diet. The most enjoyable way might be through a glass of red wine, but remember, moderation is key. Besides wine, you can also find resveratrol in foods like blueberries, cranberries, and even dark chocolate. While resveratrol can be a great addition to your health regimen, it's important to consider the right dosage and the form. Supplements are available, but it's best to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. There you have it. Resveratrol is more than just an excuse to enjoy a little red wine. Its benefits are supported by science, and it has a rich history of use. If you enjoyed this deep dive into resveratrol and want to learn more about other superfoods, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications on our latest uploads. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.